Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who is new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trishna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel basically. I try and incorporate everything on my channel. I know it's been really long that I recorded a video because I was not there for good 20 days. I took off and I was actually at my mom's place for good 20 days. As you have already read the title, it's all about the haul video. Lockdown has affected me as well as what I feel that I have suddenly gained weight. I've suddenly gained inches is what I mean, because I was fitting in 26 denim and suddenly now I have to buy size 13, which is such a nightmare for me, to be very honest. But that was one of the major reasons that I had to buy a lot of things, because I'm not fitting in my clothes now. Without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see what all I have bought from this fashion haul. So first things first, everything that I have bought is all from sale. So I'm gonna start off with a West Side first, because that's the first place where I went. So I have added a lot of colors this time to my wardrobe, because usually you will see me wearing black and white. All of my Insta is also filled with a lot of black and white colors. So I thought of adding little more colors to my life and my Instagram as well. So if you are yet not following me on my Instagram, you can click somewhere down right here and check out and hit that follow button. So this is the crop top that I bought. This is from Neon, which is their in-house brand if I'm not wrong. It reads Friday and it's a crop top. Also this one is under 500 because it was sale going on, but this was under 500, so I had to buy it. Next is again this one. This is from Bombay Paisley. So this is size XS, but because Bombay Paisley makes little larger sizes, so I can fit in. So this is XS, and this one is for $3.99, and it has really cute detailing. As you can see, it has lace detailing over here. Also, it's a pastel color, so I really loved this and I wanted one. Actually, I was looking for pastel color, but in green, because they had greens as well, like those lime green ones, but they didn't have my size, unfortunately. I took this color and it looks pretty good on me. So yeah, this is from Bombay Paisley. Because you cannot try, you cannot take trial, you have to go back home, try it. If it doesn't fit, you can exchange it. So I had that issue with one of the tops. This top again is very pretty. You might have seen me wearing on one of my Instagram posts very recently, where I'm applying a mascara and I'm wearing this top, and this gives me a very vintage vibe. Like, it reminds me of my 90s, and when people used to wear those striped t-shirt with flare pants and all of that. So again, this is also from Neon, and this is for 500. $4.99 is the price. As it was on sale, everything was like cheaper. Next thing that I bought from West Side is this really pretty looking white denim. Now I am more of a monochrome kind of person, so you'll always find me wearing a black or a white or having that one particular thing. So this denim was complete steal deal for me. West Side. Then moving on, there was sale in H&M also, and I really love H&M clothes, especially during sale, because they are really cheap. So there is this trend that is going on of really oversized white shirt with classic blue denims. So I wanted to get one white shirt for myself. It was long due, so I bought this little oversized white shirt to go along with a nice denim, and this was on sale. So the original price was $14.99 and I bought it for 500. So I feel like, yes, I bought it for a really nice deal, and I tried it and it looks very pretty. Moving on, next again is a shirt. This is the shirt which my mom really liked. So this one is actually a fresh piece, but it has lines. I have a lot of lining and more of patterns this time rather than just going for plain stuff. So this is a lining cotton shirt, and this is for $7.99. This was a fresh piece, so no sale. Next thing that I bought, and I feel I'm very happy buying this. So I bought this black top. It is more like a spaghetti top, and this was size, I don't know if this is, so this is size 8 if I'm not wrong. So this is a nice black spaghetti top, and to, you know, for the combination I have bought a very beautiful and my favorite pattern, which is a checkered skirt. I love the detailing with those black buttons in the front, and you just can tuck the top inside and wear it with heavy duty boots and you're good to go. And just it, and to be very honest, I'll not lie over here, I bought this outfit because it just reminds me of Korea. It just I just feel that this is just so me, this is just so Korea. This is like, you know how obsessed I am with Korea and how much, in fact it's not an obsession, it's love for Korea. So this is my Korean go-to outfit if I had to wear, and I can wear it with heels, I can wear it with boots. I guess I prefer boots because it's comfortable to walk. Also, so for the t-shirt, so the t-shirt is for $7.99, it was fresh, so no sale on that. But for the skirt was for $1,299 and I got it for $500, so complete steal for me again. And the last but definitely not the least that I bought from H&M are these suspenders. Now I love wearing suspenders, those skirt suspenders, easy to go, and you know, because Bombay weather is such that you do not want to wear too much of denim, so these are the black suspenders that I bought. The original price for this is $999, but I got it for $6.99, so a complete steal again. And one of the last pieces that I bought was from Lifestyle. This is those high-rise wide leg denims which are, you know, ongoing trend. Like it's there for really long, but I didn't invest in it because I do not have too much of like thigh area, so I thought like maybe I wouldn't look good, but then I ultimately bought it because now I'm size 30. I don't know if I'm proud, happy. So because now I'm size 30, probably I look good, maybe pretty decent or whatever you call it. So this is from Cross, again a front button detailing. I guess a lot of pieces that I showed you have front button detailing. So this is from Cross, this I bought from Lifestyle. This is size 28, but Cross makes fit, which is almost 2 size bigger, so 28 is actually their 30. And this was for $15.95, but they had some 10% discount, so it was around $1,400 or something, I don't know. So these are the stuff that I have bought. So all this is what I bought. I also bought some basic t-shirts before going to Ahmedabad. Again, because the trial is not allowed, you had to, you know, get back home, try it. If it doesn't fit, you have to go back. But somehow Pantaloons doesn't take exchange. They do not take, like, they do not take the products back. So yeah, that's the thing. But I have bought basic t-shirts from Pantaloons which are like size M and L, because it's easier, you can wear it. Even if it doesn't fit you, you can still wear it at home. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fashion haul, the shopping haul that I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up. If you are yet not following me on Instagram, please do hit that follow button. Until the time I come back, please do take care of yourself, wash your hands, sanitize, wear your mask and go out, and miss me.